Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OndaXBT token. Ticker symbol is ONDA. Now this token is trending number 13 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. Brand new token, it's not even a day old yet. It's got a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and just got a very big central exchange listing as well. And we're going to go over the OndaXBT token, talk about how you can get it, the information on it, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, on their Dex Screener chart, they do have a link to a web page and a Twitter. Their web page here is OndaXBT.xyz. They have the Onda link extension button. They have a link to their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. It says, powered by the ONDA token, your autonomous on-chain companion, empowering users with intelligent automation and unparalleled capability. And then you can click on a button that says previous work. And so then it takes you to a page where there's all the previous work that it looks like this autonomous agent has worked on. And you can find a whole bunch of different things talking about Base, 8chain, Solana, Moonshot, Blast, some pump.meme, Degen chain. So all different things there. And then, so then the Twitter, you can click on that. That takes you over here. And then I put it in the corner of the screen here as usual at OndaXBT. And so this is the automated Twitter here. And it says, Onda link now live on the Chrome store. Dev journal on @OX Chris XC. So that's automated by that person, Chris, there. And then it has the contract address right there. It ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun. Has a link to their webpage, 14,200 Twitter followers. They just joined January 2025. 11 tweets so far. So it's a very popular project. We'll get to the numbers in a second here, but it was just announced today that this token will be listed as of now. It is available now on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ONDA, and then simply just buy the token. So a couple other big projects got listed today on MEXC, and there's some other big projects being listed tomorrow. I am going to do some other videos on other big projects on MEXC today as well, so make sure you check those out. But yeah, if you don't have an account, make sure you check out the referral codes down below. So, if you go over to their chart site, first of all, let's have a look at their Dex or their Sol Scan here. Their Sol Scan says they have 19,587 holders already. So, big project. 6 decimal places on this token. Started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, so right now the current total supply, 999,994,100 tokens. Token price is about 1.45 cents per token. And their market cap is gigantic right now. So right now their market cap is $14.9 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. And this token pair was actually just created 16 hours, 27 minutes ago on RAYDIUM. So very brand new project. They have 2,003 pooled SOL and RAYDIUM right now, which is equivalent to 34,428,000 pooled ONDA tokens. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $167 million, 253,824 transactions. Token price right now is 1.47 cents per token. And trending number 13 right now. They have been doing a little bit of marketing today on Dex Screener as well. They have the 10 lightning bolt ad button there. So yeah, $1 million in liquidity, and 94.65% of that total liquidity in RAYDIUM is locked and burned. So another way to get this token, if you wanted to get it in a decentralized way, you can get it off of RAYDIUM. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with SOL. Now you can fund your wallet with SOL from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SOL, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address that you could find on their SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye charts, find it all over, just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your SOL for this token using that contract address. And it could be on their Twitter here, but I just moved over to the other person's Twitter here at OXChrisXC. He has a blue verified checkmark, 261 posts, 4,181 followers, and then he has a link to a different Twitter at ONDAXBT, and he has a link. Oh, that is the original one I was just talking about. That's the automated one. Oh yeah, and the contract address is on that one, so you can find it right there on the Twitter. That's probably the easiest spot to find it. And then they have a link to the OndaXBT.xyz/ONDA link. And yeah, you can check all this out. You can find this token newly listed here on MEXC Global. As of today, it is live now. Make sure you check out all the other videos I'm talking about today on tokens on MEXC and other exchanges that are very popular today as well. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for all the channel members who have hit that join button and are supporting the channel. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.